Welcome back to Uplift in Shorts, your favorite pit stop for daily inspiration. Today, we are unwrapping a nugget of wisdom from none other than the trailblazing 26th President of the United States, Theodore Roosevelt. He once said, "Believe you can, and you're halfway there." Let's dive right in, shall we? But what does that really mean? Believe you can, and you're halfway there. Picture this. You're standing at the bottom of a gigantic mountain. It's towering, it's intimidating, and you have no climbing gear whatsoever. Yet, you have a burning desire to conquer that peak. Now, you have two choices. One, you let doubt creep in and convince yourself it's impossible. Or two, you tell yourself, "I can and I will." See, believing in your ability to conquer that mountain is like having an invisible climbing gear. The moment you decide you can, you've scaled halfway up that mountain. Not physically, but mentally, which, my friends, is often the harder battle to win. Many of the things we want to achieve seem daunting at first, just like our imaginary mountain. It could be starting a business, learning a new skill, or running a marathon. The first step is always the same. Believe that you can. By doing this, you generate a positive energy that fuels your drive and commitment. You build resilience and cultivate a mindset that sees challenges not as insurmountable obstacles, but as stepping stones towards your goal. So, dear friends, let's make Theodore Roosevelt proud. Believe in your potential to reach the stars. Embrace the power of possibility, and watch as the path to your dreams unveils itself. Remember, you're always halfway there when you believe you can. Before you click away, hit that like button if you've enjoyed our time together today. Share this with someone who might need a little uplifting. And remember to subscribe if you haven't done so. We're on this journey together, folks. This is Uplift in Shorts, always here to cheer you on. Until next time.